Hey, it's Chris from Outbound. Hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you're having a good day. It's Sunday, January of, I don't know what day it is. It's 2022, but we're in January. Hope this year's better than the last one. Anyways, hey, welcome to the channel, and thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. And today we're gonna do something a little bit different. You know, we're an off-road channel. Mostly off-roading, camping, and that kind of stuff. But today I want to do something different. So it's funny. My neighbor bought this 72 Vega GT, 1972 Vega GT, that scared the crap out of me. He took me for a ride. It's got 700 horsepower, and with Nitrous it has 1200 horsepower. So we went a little ride around the neighborhood. It was a great time. So I'm just going to take on this ride. It'll be really quick. Just a quick video, you know, just a Sunday. I don't have anything to do, you know, but I hope you enjoy the video, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It was a good time, and come along, man. Let's do this. You want to go fast? You're going to go fast. Nice, Eloy. Well, tell it, what year is this? This is a
1972
okay.
Vega GT.
Nice. This was a track car. It was running like quarter miles in
5/8, 160 something miles per hour.
Really? Oh my goodness.
700 horsepower plus 1200 horsepower with the
dang. There's my neighbor. It's my neighbor Eloy. We're just we're gonna shoot a quick vid on his Vega here. This thing is amazing. Got the oh my god, I love this thing. There you go. I got the wheelie bars and the parachute just in case.
You can't see it? I don't remember what it was. Okay. Well, Chris, get in, and it's a little tight getting in, but
I'll do the best I can.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go, man. Oh my god, you made my whole morning. That was amazing.
Good.
Dang. This thing's like unbridled horsepower.
Oh god.
Hey man, what do you think?
Pretty crazy car. It's a real experience to be in that thing.
You're Eloy's son. You're cool, dude.
Cool.
Yeah. Cool. So have you gone a ride in this thing yet?
Yeah, yesterday.
Did you?
That's quite the experience. I was not expecting that. Just going up the street, burning the tires is crazy.
It's cool though, huh?
Yeah, real cool.
Some old school muscle car there.
Yeah,
well,
gives
cool,
us something
man.
to do too.
I'm glad you had a good ride. I know I did.
Yeah.
Anyways, hey, thanks, Cole.
You're welcome.
All right, man. A beautiful machine.
No, he was a court here somewhere. Then he built over here in Malcolm Dixon. Here's the price of that. That's been improved through those around. He lived on he sold half the stuff.
if you want to just kind of why don't you just pose in front of your car like the frickin' proud guy you are. Well,
Okay.
Okay, we'll end this. Hey,
I'm done.
well, hey, Eloy, this is Chris from Outbound Terrain. Hey, thanks for the ride, man. That was completely awesome. Like I said, I could feel the vibration through my whole being.
Good.
You know,
Yes.
and I
Once I
don't
learn
think
how to drive it, you'll feel a lot more.
Okay, brother. Hey, thanks a lot,
we do
man.
a few burnouts.
You're a good guy. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick ride around the block at 300 miles an hour. It was great. Yeah, I drive an old Jeep. That kind of horsepower and performance are kind of, it's like, wow. Anyways, that was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a short video. Sunday afternoon. Kind of bored. Thought I'd bring you along for the ride. You guys are great. Thanks for subscribing. This is Chris from Outbound Terrain. And any comments, like I said, just leave them down there somewhere. Okay? Appreciate it, man. You guys have a great day. Love you. And watch out for the knuckleheads. They're out there. See you on the next video.